Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you fix P0131, P0135, P0138, P0141 oxygen sensor heated circuit trouble codes? How do you know your oxygen sensor comes with a heater? If you have an oxygen sensor and it comes with a heater, there's going to be 4 wires. If you look closely at the wire, the 2 white wires is going to be for the heater circuit. That black wire is going to be signal, and the gray wire is going to be ground. When you have an oxygen sensor, the oxygen sensor must reach to about 600 degrees in order for it to produce voltage signal. If the oxygen sensor does not reach up to 600 degrees, the oxygen sensor will not produce voltage signal, and you'll notice engine performance issue. That is why when you have a heated oxygen sensor, it has a heating element inside it, and it helps bring up the temperature to 600 degrees in about 30 seconds when you start your vehicle. Without the heating element, it's going to take much longer for your oxygen sensor to warm up, because now it needs to use hot exhaust gas coming from the engine to warm up the oxygen sensor. What caused oxygen sensor to fail? The reason why oxygen sensor failed is going to be caused by contamination. If you look at the tip of this oxygen sensor, it is full of white sandy deposit. If you see that the tip of the oxygen sensor is full of white sandy deposit, this is going to be caused by antifreeze leaking inside the exhaust system, and it's contaminating this oxygen sensor. So if antifreeze is leaking inside the exhaust system, most likely it's going to be caused by a blown head gasket. If the tip of the oxygen sensor is coated in black soot, this is going to cause the oxygen sensor to become lazy. And the reason why the tip of the oxygen sensor is coated in black soot is going to be caused by the engine running rich. Now, if the tip of the oxygen sensor is full of dark brown deposit, it is going to be caused by excessive oil consumption from the engine. Now, if the oxygen sensor looks extremely white all around, it means the engine is running lean. If you have an engine misfire, it's going to cause a lot of fuel to get dumped inside the exhaust system, and it's going to cause the exhaust system to run extremely hot. That is going to cause these oxygen sensors to fail prematurely. If you use additive, for example, you use a head gasket sealer or a mechanic in the can or any other additive, those additives can cause the oxygen sensor to fail as well. And lastly, your oxygen sensor can also fail if you have a wire or connection issue. If your wire got damaged for some reason, let's just say it got damaged caused by a road object, it can cause the wire to open, and it also can cause an open or shorted circuit. And lastly, if your oxygen sensor wire came loose for some reason and it's no longer mounted on the clip and it came loose, this can cause the oxygen sensor wire to start dangling, to start moving around, and it can accidentally touch the hot surface on the exhaust manifold and cause the wire to melt. So that is how you fix P0131, P0135, P0138, P0141 oxygen sensor codes. I hope you found this lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.